Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you? Today is, I think it's August 25th, and not that that matters, but let's begin by Allah's name first. Oh, sorry. Alright. Let's do name sounds, or I'm sorry, letter sounds. Okay, look, so this is really important because sometimes we see the letters and we're like, I don't know what sound that makes. When alif has a hamza on top, it's a glottal stop sound, which sounds like this. And by the way, that sound is really close to uh-oh. Can you say uh-oh? That's the sound. And then, ba makes a sound b. Ta makes a sound t. Tha makes a sound th, like 3. Jim makes a sound j. Ha makes a sound ha. Kha makes a sound kh. Dal makes a sound d. Thal makes a sound th, like they. Ra makes a sound ra. Zain makes a sound z. Sin makes a sound s. Sheen makes a sound sh. Sod makes a sound s. Dod makes a sound d. Ta makes a sound t. Va makes a sound v. Ain makes a sound ah. Ghain makes a sound gh. Fa, like Frank. Qaf, k, 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 k. Kaf, k, k, k. By the way, they're both different because qaf is q, kaf is k. Qaf, kaf, qaf, kaf. Dod, del, dod, del. Get it? So this was kaf, which makes a sound k. Lam makes a sound l. Mim makes a sound m. Noon makes this sound n, like new clothes, or like Nebraska, n, n. Ha makes the sound h. Whoa makes a sound w. Yeah makes a sound y. Good job. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.